it when you get me high. Watching these days turn into nights. Cause I love it when you get me high. Drink up till you're running through my blood. Yeah, you leave my body numb and I like it way too much. I wanna stay out of my mind. Cause I love it when you get me high.
Hello traders, good evening. Welcome to episode 120 of TFNE, Mitch Ray. You could be doing anything. You're choosing to hang on me and do technical analysis, but I'm quite grateful. Thanks so much. It's been a wonderful Saturday, college football Saturday, where there's been little parity except for the Virginia Tech Hokies getting wrecked by Old Dominion. Are you kidding me, dude? That's pretty bad, man. Don't lose to Old Dominion. Look, any lessons in life in this show that I'm sorry. It's been a madhouse around here. Around these parts. It's been crazy, alright? So just scrambling, been scrambling, we'll continue scrambling with my BIA, with Bitcoin breaking out of a bear pole, bear flag to the upside, and then earlier today, just like I don't know, 10, 11 hours ago, breaking all the way down to 6516, 6500, and then bouncing all the way back up to stay above the flag to freak everybody out who's trying to trade on the weekend, trying to short on the weekend. Sorry, get destroyed. Looking pretty good for Bitcoin. All right, man? A lot of volatility on both sides. You can clearly see failed to break that 6770 area as we discussed last night, and surely, of course, look what's happened. I mean, look, man, we talked about, like, no, almost certainly we would be breaking down to this top trend line of the flag because you failed 5 times to break above it. Even on this last time, you just huge amount of volatility. Hit all the way up to 6840 before breaking all the way down to 6500, and here we are again, back above it. All right, so crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff on Bitcoin on the weekend. Low volume. Either way, volume's back down to scrub levels again, okay? We did it, man. We did it. We're kings. We are the volume kings once again. All right, let's take a look at the chat. All right. Oh my God, my audio's so bad. I'm about to just neuter this music, man. It's about to be literally gone forever after that, because no one probably heard anything I just said ever at all, right? And it was a pretty good intro. It was a pretty good intro, man. Pissing me off. So about Joshua Robinson, Anthony Rosano, What is 47, Samson, Arthur Beeswax, Roll Tide indeed, destroyed A&M. Those points came when our scrubs came in, our second team, third team. So exposed, Arked, DGD. Okay. Man, last night was lit. If you missed last night's show, I don't know what to tell you. Last night was like so fun. We had so much freaking fun last night. It was just, I couldn't believe it, man. Okay. So it drawn, Gustavo. Is this the same song? Sorry, man. Maybe so. This late night drinking is not good for you, Lord. Hey, Michael, man, you know I didn't drink like pretty much all week. And then celebrated on the weekend, man. It's okay, man. What's up, Robin? Pat McLaughlin. BG. Nerdy Ninja wants a vet. Alright, dude. Put vet on the list. Okay, dude. Alright. What's up about Jeremy Ragsdale, the X Factor Jesus Man? Welcome, dude. He says, what's up, Jesus Minds, Women's, and Gender Neutrals? Oh my God. What have we done? Gustavo loves getting high. Wow. He loves getting high, everyone. Let it be known. King Logan's in the house. Just stop the music. Shut up, music. And play the Jesus Chimes. Thanks so much for all the Jesus people being here tonight, alright? We've had a wonderful day today, alright? And a wonderful evening last night. It's just been a fantastic weekend in general, alright? Thank y'all. Thanks, King Logan, for being here. Day in and day out. So, Hevel Installer, XRP Mafia. XRP is fixing to run again. You talking about fixins, man? You got all the fixins in the worlds. We're going to look at our Quint screen. Yes, the Quint screen, not the quad screen. All right, we can see currently, right now, making small adjustments. We got XRP currently pumping right now. Breaking with that 382, that 58 cent. We're at 59. Yes, 59 cents. Wonderful. Bottom left, you got VET. Top left, you got Ethereum. In the top right, you got Litecoin. In the top right, you got Bitcoin, all right? So about AS, man. That's right, Roll Tide indeed. Yeah, remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all so much for being here, okay? Hello, JD saying Iowa's better than Wisconsin. Interesting. Like to see that matchup, right? It's going to happen. What's up, Crypto Sourdough? Already one dislike, Drawn K. Expect it. We have enemies. If we don't have enemies, if people don't hate us, if they don't sub to us, if they don't spend their entire existence downvoting us, that, oh, hey, I'm subbed to this guy. I've got the notification, I've got the bell hit and the sub. I will wait till he goes live, and every single day I will hit the downvote. If they do it every day, we win. Hey, you know what? We live rent-free, Drawn, in their heads every single day. Can't you love it? I love living rent-free in people's minds. The hate, the vitriol. Oh, yeah, they're so triggered by me existing. I love it, dude. I love them because I own them. I literally mentally own them, Drawn K. Don't you love that too, man? That feeling feels so good. All right, what's up, Tim A, Chris 9, K9? What's up, Crypto Conrad for the motherland, indeed, dude. Did we miss the 1776 yesterday? Yeah, we were like, I think when we started streaming, we were at 1777 or something stupid. We were like just off of it, so we didn't even talk about it really, man. So, you know what we can do about it. John K, man. What's up, Emmy? Good to see you, the North Carolina Jesus lady. Glad you're here. I'm glad you fared well in the storms that have now passed. What's up, Larley, man? You know, I'm gonna take a swig of Bia for Larley now, right? And there's Moses parting the literal seas. My God, we have so many wonderful, magical people in here tonight. This is crazy, man. Hello, Sharon. She loves being in the know. Hey, me too. Everyone does, right? What's up, Hewitt, man? Roll Tide, dude. Irwin Coffee. Hey, Irwin Coffee, I apologize. Tonight I'm just not drinking coffee. I had coffee a little earlier, okay? I'm a little off on Saturdays, drinking coffee, all right? Kappa Dappa, what's up, dude? Tour Master. I dressed up my... I guess I had Bama Red on. Yeah, I guess so, man. I guess so. You caught me, dude. You freaking caught me. What's up, Eric Coffeen, Drillbit Taylor, Beach Life, Refined, Hayseed, Appalachian. Happy to have you. Hello, Chrisiden. I'm glad you're here too, alright? LPLT says he knows the stream got lit last night with the football game. Can we look at the stock you requested yesterday? L. Oh, it's just L. Wow. Sure, we can look at L. That's quite the ticker, man. They must have sold their souls to the devil to get that ticker. Sweet, man. Yeah, we got L on the list. All right, man. Thanks, L, man. XLM. Okay, Anthony. I think we looked at that yesterday. We'll look at it again. Music. Yeah, dude. Music's really loud. You're being quite generous. Hey, what's up, Princess Riley? Good to see you. What's about Rachel Rhodes coming in from Carolina? We got a lot of Carolinians. Is that how you say it? Or Carolinians? Carolinians? I don't know. Somebody help me. Hello, Yanni. Oh my God, this chat's lit. I can't get through all this. Hello, John Parker. My God. So GT, man. John Miller. Kiki. Do the Kiki dance or something. Isn't that how it works or something? I don't know. This is ridiculous. Well, hello, Luis, Andrew V, Mr. Selecki. XLM was the first one. Alright, so I got XLM on the list. If it's cool, we will get to it. Alright, we will get to it. Hello, Veron. Oh my God. You want the Oster Toasters, man? What's going on, dude?
Should we buy XRP?
Should you buy XRP? You know what? Since we looked at Bitcoin, we'll just go to XRP first since you asked. Thanks for the $3.33 repeating, of course. For me, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Thanks, man. Glad you're here. All right, so look, man, it's pretty significant the fact that we have made such substantial gains in a period of 4 to 5 days now. Alright, we tried to make sense of this break to the upside, okay? Any way you could put it. It's not easy, right? So you got it like that, you got it like this, whatever adjustment you made. to any form of consolidation we've got going on. 1, 2, and 3 with our anchor points for this possible downsloping consolidation, which isn't too downsloping, is it? It's just like, yeah, you had some downsloping, now it's upsloping. Okay, you're staying above the, look how many times we've rejected the 50% retrace. All right, look, so and there's a lot of lines here. Okay, but look, from a swing low all the way to the swing high, your 50% retrace was at 52.23 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we rejected it. It's really nice to see that much rejection, and so now we're breaking to the upside. We're attempting the. And problem is, we're not breaking above the 382 at 58 cents at all. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now we've failed to sustain prices above that area. So there's a lot of indecision going on. The volume is completely crapped out. Well, there's for good reason, right? Volume's so low because it's the weekend, but it was the highest volume we had ever seen on the Binance chart. Okay, of course you could look at Bitfinex. There's probably, you know, areas of time where we've seen higher levels of volume, but you know, on Binance, we've never seen volume this high before. And double clicking on our positive momentum, we've never seen positive momentum so high since February 10th. And RSI, we have not seen RSI so high since the Great FOMO. And actually on this chart, we've never seen relative strength this high. At one time we hit 93, 94. It's just, please understand, this is a significant development that's occurred on Ripple. And it shouldn't be ignored, because you just don't get this kind of stuff every day, right? We had this just huge bearish trend, this down sloping trend that extends back to February and beyond, right? You had the Great FOMO. You can't include volatility like this. This is FOMO, stupid. After the FOMO, when the volume starts dropping off, you get a normalization period, and then you start forming a channel, and the channel's just been bearish ever since. But we pretty much double bottomed down at 25 cents, and then we formed, in my opinion, slanted inverse head and shoulders, found our target, bought, we got it, and then we broke to the upside, hit the target, bull pull, bull flag, hit target, and then you also had the this was Larley's descending broadening wedge. We also hit target on that, the measure move, the 618, and then we just continued just exploding past every kind of measure move you could expect or see. All right, but zooming back in, if there was some sort of bull pull, bull flag, a measure move, believe it or not, from the bottom to top, measure move would put you at 85.6 cents. We have it plotted right here. All right, I'm just saying, man, like, we're just doing the measured principle for impulses up and then consolidation, and then we measure it from a hypothetical breakout, which is very close to where we are, and it's 85 cents. It's around 85 cents. So don't get mad at me, man. Don't get mad at me for just doing the measured moves. All right, so we're at 72 on the RSI, still overbought on the weekend. Volume has tapered off tremendously from where we were before, right? So that's XRP. Whoever asked. There we go. Let's go to it's Thanks again for the contribution, all right, man. All right, let's go to Ethereum, all right. Ooh, fell back into that little wedge. Thought we might have used that and back tested at one point, but fell below it, back above it, and now we're just chopping around. Nice little impulse up, down sloping consolidation, it seems, right? Somewhat. But here's the thing. What are we having issues with? We're unable to break above the 236 fib node, unable to break above the 200 MA. Both those resistance points have been very powerful, and you could expect to fail to break above that, especially with bearish divergence, high, higher high, lower levels of positive momentum. So just so many coinciding variables letting us know we would probably fail at this area. So if that happens, then okay, let's go ahead and get that consolidation that is down sloping, which we're starting to get, and maybe we could break to the upside when the week begins, when the trading desks open again around the world. Because what's happening? Well, I think that we have a nice little, well, nice large, nice medium-sized, whatever you want to call it, falling wedge from the late June area Touch point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're out. Beautiful. And so, measuring from the swing high of the wedge, swing high to swing low, we're looking to see between $300 and $380. That's it. That's our target right there, between those three. Awesome. Will be difficult to see if that happens because you have a lot of resistance on the way up, but making pretty good progress, I guess. So loud, man. I'm sorry. Just like, I'm sorry about the audio. Oh my god, man. I can't do this. Dude, I'm gonna literally flip this table. I'm getting trolled so hard. I'm sorry. Alright, we're good, I guess. Alright. So that's it, man. What more do you even want? Talking about the pattern that's developed. Alright. You know what? Oh, well, we need more of a long-term view. Okay, here's your longer-term view, alright? Your down-sloping channel that's existed since the 1420 areas all the way back to January, or January, depending on where you are in the world. Okay. Alright, we covered the big three. What more do you want? Okay, that's it. Okay. Let's take a look at the chat, and then we'll keep on moving things, alright, to big kangs. My god, I'm going to turn my air on more. It's getting hot up in here. It's getting real hot. Just play some techno. Yeah, alright, all in on the Russian techno from the 90s. I'm sure that wouldn't isolate anybody from this show. Seriously. What's up, Lord Dumpington, man? Brian PTC, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Hello, Side Girl from Chi-Town. J-Rock era. Chances Bitcoin goes back down in a nice little chunk. What do you mean in a nice little chunk? I don't understand what that means, dude. Hello, Crypto Kiwi man. You're in the hood, the Sauron hood. Mr. Selecki, man.
Hello, my man. Hope you had a good Saturday. Can you throw some wisdom TA on Ada also? Thank you for being here every day.
Hey man, Mr. Selecki, thank you so much for being here every day, okay man? So stop talking about me, please, and talk about yourself for once, because you keep all saying nice things about me. Please say some nice things about yourselves, because without you, I don't exist. I'm not here, alright? So thank you, Mr. Selecki, for the elite contribution. And yeah, we're going to look at 88 right after this, okay? Make sure I've got the right one up, alright? Oh man, it's been a long day, alright? Ooh, interesting. My goodness. You're gonna like this, Mr. Selecki, okay? Let's just go to it right now. And before I analyze it, I'll keep going through chat so you can just look at it in all its greatness, okay? Fair. Yes, fair. Ooh. Falling wedge. What say you, Mr. Selecki? Well, right, man, I think that kind of looks pretty good, man. It looks like we're kind of breaking out, too, on elevated levels of volume, on bullish divergence. What do you want? Goodness gracious, man. Why does my restream keep doing that? Oh, my God, man. What's happening, right? Thanks so much to the 189 people tuned in right now. Okay, I really do appreciate y'all. What's up, the real Stagger Roach, man? You said, you posted me on my channel, straight refreshing the screen, waiting for the afternoon show. Dude, I'm sorry, man. Sometimes, like, things happen. Look, college football Saturdays. You see this, man? Wait, you see this man? This is a big deal to me. It's a big deal, all right? It's my life. It's my... You know, I grew up watching Alabama football. I went to Alabama and played football there and went to school there, got my degrees from there. It's a whole part of my life. So when they play football, I watch. It's just what I do, man. So, like, if they're playing and it's Saturday, it's tough for me to tune in, okay? So I do apologize about that.
I'm a good listener, make good soup, and also have the dance move of an epileptic on crack.
What does an epileptic on crack look like, man? I'm a little confused on that. Robin, thanks for the $3.33 repeating, of course. Thanks so much, dude. Thanks, dude. All right. Okay. Thank you, dude. My music stopped. Gosh dang it. Hold on. I got this thing. Tilray. Billy, you want some Tilray, man? Alright, I'll put on the list, right? What's up, Sierra, Yasmin, Gold, Emporium? How's it going? Long time watcher of your channel, first time on live show. Well, Sierra, thank you so much for tuning in and stopping being a lurker, because lurkers are good, they're fine, but it's always wonderful to hear from the lurkers, those who just don't talk much, and it's very refreshing. All right, happy to have you. All right, very happy. The Carolinians, Carolinians. All right, perfect. Who downvotes? The enemies. Again, Andrew, we talked about this, right? Prodigal Tar says his wife is so awesome. She walks into the office and goes, "Oh, you gonna watch that guy and make us some money?" Okay. Light's not working. Gosh dang it! They were working, were they not? Because I didn't turn them on red. What is going on? Hold on. Let me give this a shot again. Alright. Alright, hold on. I'm resetting it. I don't care. Every time you have a new update. Alright, yeah, they should work now. Chat and Twitch, let us know. Yeah, there they go. Perfect. Thanks, God for Crypto. Thanks, dude. So about 1077. Hebel wants a wife, he says. No doubt, man. Alright. It's about Josh B. Cheers, Lolly, man. Cheers, man. Hello, Tim Bone. Crypto Whale. Keep it together. I'm doing great. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Going live. A lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. It doesn't feel too good sometimes. Coach Bros, man. Oh, my God. Look at that sexual Dallas Cowboy star in the jur. Thanks, brother mine.
The SSS Air Probes chipped $59.58. Spend my dollar on beer, parked in a howler beneath the mountain moonlight.
Roll Tide. Park. What is it? What is it? Make a little loving all night. Little turtle loving all the Mason-Dixon line. Is my life. F Auburn. In Tennessee too. Wait, in LSU in Tennessee too. My Dixieland delight. Thanks so much, Probes, man, for the 59.58. Yes. Don't make me hit that sexual button, man, because I will. Thank you, dude, so much, man. I really appreciate that. All right. Thank you. Friggin' love you, man, and miss you, dude. All right. All the best. Oregon's about to choke. I can't believe that. Oregon was doing so well at the beginning of the game. Well, I was watching anyway. Litecoin, J Griff, man, who can put on the list, dude. I butchered that, man. It's tough, man. I was thrown off. I was very, very taken aback by that. All right. Thank you, Crypto Whale, man. Crackale's just Electronium. What about it? Their marketing department's the best part of their entire company. Okay. Yes, it's true. I should be proud of the TA I do. It's really awesome and great. Thank you, RF Destiny, man. I really do appreciate that, man. Because I don't know. I don't know. People talk crap in here. They trolls, right? The trolls come in here and talk crap. So I don't really know what I think about my TA, okay? I don't know. I just try to just do the best I can. And if it's not good enough, then oh well, right? Oh well. Look, you can only do, like, you can, what is it, the quote by the great Art Williams? Not too drunk to taste this chicken. No, this thing. We were talking about that last night. Who is that? We got so drunk last night. We said Colonel Sanders was my Mickey from Rocky. You can only do all you can do, and that's enough, pretty much. I don't know. I can't remember how it works. Okay, it's great, motivational stuff. But anyway, all fun and games until somebody makes $1 billion. All right. What's up, Willow Crypto Man? Welcome, dude. Dude, this is crazy, man. All right, because I'm kind of drunk. I've been drinking since the Bama game. All right, I'm just here to hang out with y'all for a little bit, do some TA, have some fun. All right. I can't believe this, that Oregon choked 38-31 in overtime. Unbelievable, dude. Can you believe this? What's up, Rashman coming in from Montreal? Good to see you, dude. Yeah, Joel J. Yeah, dude. Thanks for beating the Aggies. Longhorns are back. Knocked off number 10. Did they really beat TCU? Oh my god, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. O&T Arlo. It's getting ready to move. Okay, man. Okay. On the list. About to get another beer. Because why not? Thanks, Billy, man. I'm just getting through chat. I'm almost done. My god, man. Hello, Kelly from Germany. We just have a lot of good people in here. You can't be mad at me for trying to engage with so many good freaking people that I know and love at this point, alright? Just leave me alone. Let me enjoy it. Okay, huge falling wedge pattern on 88 at BTC. We just broke out. Yes, we broke out on elevated levels of volume. Oh my god, what do you even want anymore? Well, Ray, I don't think the conditions are right. I think that you've been in a wedge pattern really that started April 25th, and we're out of it now. We broke out, and you know, this is not good enough. It's not good enough. Sorry, man, just not good enough of a pattern. Oh wait, yes it is. It's actually great. So, target-wise, if you broke out, where could you expect to see us run on this beautiful pattern? Easy enough, man. We know our Fibonacci sequence. We know how it works. We know proper retraces, common retraces we can expect to see between the 2209 area and the 2959 area. Oh my god, between the 382 and the 618. But your common target for the wedge would be the 50%, which will put us at 2584. I hope you're cool with this, because if you're not, whatever, man. I just don't want to tell you. Alright, looks pretty fantastic to me. Alright, this has been developing for many, many months of this year. Time to celebrate just a little bit on the elevated level of volume breakout. Still right at that 200 MA. That's an issue, right? You're just right there, struggling. I mean, how many times do we fail? Look at the 200 MA. You can. This is why we have the 200 MA plotted. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time now we're failing to break above it. We've got 16 minutes left on this 4-hour candle, and again we're showing rejection at that area. It pisses me off. Come on. That's okay though, right? Because you had an impulse up, and then you had consolidation that was down sloping, looking somewhat like a bull pole bull flag combination. Let's be kangs. A measure move would put us around here, this area up here. All right, that's it. You're gonna have nice levels of resistance right here at 1518. All right, could expect rejection there. If we could break to the upside, it's not certain if we will, because we're having trouble already at that, again, 200 moving average. All right, great. Hope that helps. Whoever asked, all right. Dude, this is nuts. Some kid had 28 tackles from Oklahoma today. That's crazy, dude. Crazy stuff, man. Wow, Gerard just says dump Bitcoin. Are you kidding me, dude?
Is that a joint?
Oh my god.
Bad news. Bookie cut my toe off cause I bet on Bama to cover and they didn't win. Good news. My horns upset TCU. Where's the news? End of season all-time wins Bama 903 Texas 908 not this year. Man, Texas, fight, Texas, fight, Texas, penis, wrinkle.
Hey, Taurus Kang, all in. Thanks, man, for the 420 contribution and the stuff that you say that may be gross. Hey, dude, look, man, you realize they didn't cover because we had our second team in, right? That's what happens, dude. That's the risk you run in the end when you blow out a team so hard, so fast that you take all your first team out, and then all of a sudden. And here's the thing, I thought that they covered if you got the line from this morning, or with the smart money put their money in, it was at 24.5. I thought they covered. So I don't know, man. It just depends on where you bought, right? Where you decided to take the wager. So sorry to hear that. Yeah, man, you lost. You lost if you took the minus 27, but you may have won if you took the 24.5, which is crazy, dude. That's how close it is, and that's how good those handicappers are, right? So, dude, thanks again for the marijuana contribution, dude. Thank you, dude. Thanks, John Parker, man. Really appreciate that. All right, man. I'm like, look, dude, it's the weekend. I go extremely hard during the week, and I'm just here on the weekend to just, you know, say hey to everybody, do my thing, you know, just drink with everyone. Because look, am I not allowed? If I work so hard during the week, every day, am I not allowed to party with y'all, engage, have a good time, and just relax? All right. No one won on the cover today. Ooh, unless you teased it, maybe. Prodigal, if you teased it, you did win. Excellent. I'm glad you didn't lose your toe, man. Very, very happy to hear that. All right. Congratulations on all your success. Good God, man. DGD terrible. It kind of pisses me off. Dude, I'm about to get some water. I'm like, I don't know, man. There's something about today. I'm off so bad. You have no idea how bad I'm off. There are particular reasons why I might be off, but dude, I'm just off. It might have been last night. It might have been the Rocky fight I had last night. Hey, look, Rocky didn't even fight for like another year after he fought Apollo Creed, okay? They were hospitalized. I was hospitalized last night in a way. I was fighting Seth's wallet, and I lost so bad. All right, man. Please understand. It's not a joke. This is my life. I'm gonna take a shot on other things tonight. All right, let's see this. Let's try this. Seth ruined me in a good way, I guess. Oh my God. That's not gonna work. How did I have it before? I had it kind of like this, right? I don't like that, man. I think that's kind of weird. All right, and I don't think the top two trend lines would work either. Okay, I don't think that would work. Right? If you did anything like this, 1 and 2, nothing works, right? So you have to use the bottom anchor points. Jeez, man, are you kidding me? There we go. We get when we do it like that. When we do 1 and 2 and 3, you get the support on the 25% trend line really well, and you get some heart line respect really nice. Yeah, really nice heart line respect actually. So across the board. So I like that. So with DGD, you've just been wow, you're back down to December 5th levels, okay? Remember when everyone was like, oh my God, man, oh my God, DGD is it's gonna literally overtake Bitcoin. This is where the meme came from. Y'all understand this scrub of trash? Yes, trash. If you're in here and you're a DGD dev, get screwed, kid, okay? This is the trash coin where we made a joke about how everyone was like, oh, this is going to replace Bitcoin, man. Yeah, dude. Because it was like literally inversing Bitcoin one time. And it's not doing that anymore. It's just continued to be a trash can. All right, so good for it. But hey, you know what? Okay, sure, man. Sure. Double bottoming while the rest of the market's kangs. Hey man, nice. Higher low than your previous low. Sweet. At that heart line, having issues, right? Fibonacci wise, man, it's tough, right? It's really, really tough. You would definitely want to use something that made them like, okay, what fib makes the most sense in my opinion? Probably this one. Up here. Way up here. And volatility is so high. Yo, you bounced off the 236. Okay, good for you, man. Very, very good job. 236. When we know the common areas of retrace, here you go, man. Between 7,100 and 8,399. All right, and we're not even close yet. Okay, so maybe double bottoming, but we are not making higher highs than the pinnacle of our double bottom, right? That swing high that gives us a discernible double bottom, one bottom, two bottoms, not above it yet, right? Crazy stuff, man. Crazy freaking stuff. So I think you could run higher, but you're not making higher highs in your previous highs. You're below the 200 MA. You just broke above the 20 and 50 MA finally. Oh my God. I'm telling you, man, this is pattern wise. No, I don't see a pattern. I mean, maybe you had a wedge, a scrubby trash wedge. Whatever, you broke out of a little scrubby erroneous wedge. Yes, erroneous. You hear me? It's not a strong wedge. It's almost not even a wedge at all. I don't even know why I'm drawing it to get people good ideas, but hey, there you go. Impulse down, 1, 2, 3. It's not a wedge. 4, it's not a wedge. It's 2 converging down sloping trend lines though. All right, so you broke out of it. From that swing high to swing low, we could see 77.56. That's it, man. That's how it works. All right. Good for us on DGD. Just disappointing. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed in DGD's performance, man. But hey, man, you know what's so great about it? You probably got a higher chance of success because of this critical area of support we're at. Remember the lows from December of 2017, the altcoin ice age. We're here. We're back to the mean. We're back to where we were from before, right? That's it. Hope it helps. The full moon's coming. Oh my God. Sounds crazy, man. Did we cover XRP? Nah, Mr. Koda, you know that we never cover XRP in our entire lives ever. All right, ever. You know that, right? You had A&M plus 26. Close one, man. It wasn't fun for anybody, but hey, congratulations on your win, alright? I just can't believe Virginia Tech lost to Old Dominion, dude. That's just stupid, dude. I can't believe, and they got put away. How do you get the dagger put in you by Old Dominion? What's up about multi-browser, man? DGD is inverse Kangs, exactly, Sprocket. Is everyone in chat a mod? Tasty Toast? No, not everyone. You can clearly see we got a lot of people not mods. We just have many who, you know, are. Alright. Anyway. Thanks, Tasty Toast. Really appreciate that. All right, man. Thank you, dude. But look, man, we try to keep it chill in here, but sometimes it gets nuts, okay? Because when the market goes nuts, we go nuts. But when it's the weekend, it's nighttime, trading desks are closed around the world. I try to keep it calm and chill, all right? And I might get out of here a little early because I'm kind of tired. I've had a long day, and I'm here 7 days a week for 7 months, okay? No question about that, all right, man? Yeah, no market volume, exactly. Volume tank today, yeah, for good reason, Josh B, man. Yeah, absolutely, man. Weekend. Okay, let's go to vet. Remember?
VeChain doing things.
All right, man. Possibly, okay. We know there's a channel here. We know there's a upsloping channel. We know that. We know that. But to an open mind, one could possibly see from the breakout of the pattern, we could see some sort of ascending triangle. Could be invalid. Touch point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 reaction highs, multiple reaction lows. Hey man, according to the textbook, that's all we need for a pattern. All right, so it seems like we have a very good chance of seeing an ascending triangle. And we talked about the measure move. We broke above that measure move. We broke above that resistance that was overhead. We could see 1.769 cents, right? So, and you know, it's above all 3 critical areas of retrace, the common retrace zone, right? From swing high to swing low, from back on September 4th all the way down to September 12th, right? That's our Fibonacci anchor points. Okay, a measure move again from this swing low to swing high would put us up here. All right, that's that green line you see there, right? So it would be interesting to see if we could do that. But again, remember that these ascending triangles that act as possible reversals could easily just act as continuations. So you have to wait and be prudent. But remember always, for any kind of triangle that you're trying to buy or sell into, or I guess buy into anyway, always going to be best if you're going to go long. Those bottom trend lines are always the lowest areas of value, the lowest risk areas, okay? That's down at that 1.326 cent range, right? So that's it, man. That's VeChain. VeChain doing things, all right? Forming a possible ascending triangle. That's all I got to say about that. There's a fixed price up here. Fixed price at 1.445 cents. And there is accumulation developing. If we don't even touch the bottom, that's even better. That's even 10 times better that we don't touch that bottom trend line again, all right? It's even more accumulation. So that's the whole point. And what happens is eventually all the sell orders get filled up here. And all of a sudden, there's no more supply at this price. The supply ends up being at 1.575 cents, wherever it is, above this area. And then this shoots up, and that's what happens. That's the psychology of these ascending triangles, all right? So accumulation is a great sign. Always a good sign with a fixed price on the top side. But remember, like triangles, fractals, wedges, they can all be reversals or continuations. So don't get too euphoric when you see these patterns. There's always percentage chances of failures, and there's also chance of success. All right, so that's it, man. It's not a sure thing. That's what I'm saying. My God, I don't have my water up here, and all I have is beer. I think I'm gonna die. All I have is beer, dude. Oh my God, I'm so screwed. Whew. Oh crap. Well, let me mute my mic real quick.
Is that a joint?
Somewhere down on the vet long hot rod could break down as well.
Oh, sorry. I think you tipped a little too late because I just discussed the fact that we shouldn't be too euphoric, right? Because we talked about percentage chance of failure on patterns. Just because it's a pattern that might be bullish, it could very well be bearish. We could the measure move to the downside too. Montana, thanks for the 420, man. Is that a joint? Let us know. Thanks, dude. Thank you, man. All right. Somebody wanted Loeb Law. Loeb Law. I remember, dude. I remember. We're going to look at Loeb Law right now. Ugh. Man. Weekly? Oh. Wow. What a rally, dude. What a rally. Hey, man. Low, higher low, huge rate of the upside. It's kind of like Bitcoin a little bit, right? Wow. All right. I don't know, man. 1 and 2 and 3, very, very close to being inverse Kangs, but still holding with the parameters possibly of this uptrend extended back to the year 2010 on the weekly. All right. Wow. All-time highs puts us back at $76 where we double topped. Ooh. Not cool, man. Not cool double topping, but that's okay, man. Let's look at the daily now, since we see the overall context that we're in an extremely bullish trend for now. So there's a fixed price where we are. Jeez, man. There's just some, like, I don't know where it is, but it's just like there's some sort of support. Okay, you look, just all the support between $62 and $63. Can't break below it no matter what. And in the shorter term, since we did find a swing high. Come on, man. Let's fib it. That's not fib. So swing high, swing low. We're hitting 382. We cannot break the 382. We cannot do it. Which is a common retrace. Your first common retrace between the 382 and the 618, between 68.98 and 72.73. We cannot break these areas, which is inverse Kangs. It's not looking good. Right, not looking good at all, even though you got to be happy about the trend that you're in. What's going on, man? What's the problem? Let's have a big old powwow. What's the big old powwow with this scrubbiness? All right, being unable to break this overhead resistance, dude. You can't do it. But, you know, it's good to see the accumulation, us building up in price, right? Okay. But then again, then it's like almost like this though, right? So you get like another channel, I guess, right? You just got a channel right there. Figured. Alright, so what's going on? I mean, it's just like you have like this breakdown, lower highs, breakdown again, you're coming back up and you're still failing to break below that 382, and you're in some sort of channel. Alright, so you've got a channel, and you're also just barely maintaining prices from a much larger trend, and you're also in a short trend, and like, if you break this area, if you break this $66 range, you could be in an extreme amount of trouble because you're breaking out of a trend that extends back to 2010, man. Come on. That's bad. It could be very, very bad for you. So I don't know, man. That's it. I mean, people could say whatever you want to talk about. 1 and 2 and 3. You could almost say we have almost an ascending broadening wedge, right? People also could make this argument, right? A very large pattern, right? What are we talking about, right? We're talking about just this, man. This is it. Like, it's huge. It's a huge pattern. We have 2 upsloping, diverging trend lines. Hope that helps. That's like looking at it in the longest term and the shorter term. You look at the previous swing high from May of 2017. You can't break a 382. You can't do it, man. Impossible. All right. Hope that helps. Whatever. Very low areas of risk, I guess. That's right at the bottom. Oh, that's on your low blow. All right, man. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for your local on the 8s. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's do it, man. Okay, man. Okay. So what was the highlight of the day? The highlight, I believe, is when we we broke down, you know, below all this support, fell all the way down to 6,500, and then broke all the way back and closed above the top trend line of our bear flag, right, that we had been in, right, from a huge breakdown, slightly higher lows, right. And guess what? A higher low than your previous low, which is also a higher low than its previous low. You see this? Consecutive higher lows, signifying mild forms of accumulation. Yes. Mild forms of accumulation that stems all the way back to June 24th. Wonderful. And now the wicks are kind of weird, right? They kind of freak you out, but you do see that slightly down sloping consolidation after an impulse up, which is good. It does look pretty good, man. I'm just telling you, you're holding above that. Look how many times you gave validity to the support. It's very real. It's a very real support. I very well think we could have a bull pull, bull flag possibly going on, despite the crazy volatility. Wicks, yes, take them out. It's very much there. All right. What? Ray is supposed to say bad things. You're supposed to hate him. Bull pull, bull flag. Maybe, right? You can talk about bull pull, bull flag. The most conservative way we could look at this. We don't have to use this. I'd like to just use this. This looks like the beginning of the bull pull. Come on, be fair. Let's be fair, right? Let's be impartial. $322. If we broke out to the upside at some point, $322. Be real. A measure move of this pattern could very well put us at $7,050. All right, man. Very real possibility it could happen. I'm just saying, higher highs, higher lows. That's what we're seeing. And after an impulse up, you're down slipping in your consolidation. Stop getting freaked out. Stop screaming. Chat. I literally need y'all to stop, like, literally freaking out and rioting right now. Okay? Thank you. $8 minutes sideways. I can't believe it, dude. Oh my god, man. 8 minutes sideways. Are you kidding me, dude? Like, that sounds insane, dude. I was looking at the 30-second and the 12-second chart, and we were getting tons of confirmation on mini kappas, alright? Can you believe this? Anyone? Thank you. Let's Sprocket worked for Low Blaws in 2004 to 2008. Uh-oh. Dreams chat. All right. Oh my god, I see all these Beanie Baby requests. All right. Everybody give me every coin ever. God. I might take off. I don't even know if I'm functional to do this tonight. I'm like kind of dead. All right. Look, I've been live. Yeah, I've been alive for 30 years, but I've been live for an hour and 11 minutes. Okay, man.
Thanks for the TA on Loblaw. Is it weird that Bitcoin only went down to 6,640 on Binance and 6,630 on TRX?
What about BitFinex, man? BitFinex, we ran all the way down to 6,500, man. I don't think it's weird. I think it's just low volume effery, okay? That's what I think. Don't worry about it, dude. Let's go ahead and stop everyone out of every position in the world and then run up, continue on with our nothing volume, all right? With our consolidation. You consolidate after your impulses. Impulse consolidation. Impulse consolidation. Measured move is 7,050. That's it, man. LPLT, thanks for the $3 contribution, man. Thank you, dude. Excellent, Mr. Rogerio's neighborhood. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Thanks, Crypto Couple. Freaking love y'all. Thank you. Wait, John says, look at what I'm doing. I'm looking at what I'm doing, John. Okay. He says, get a real job. I had a real job for a decade. He says, invest in crypto. Invest in crypto. How well did that work out for people in the year 2018? Worked out terrible, John. How about you invest in the stock market? Oh, wait, I've been doing that for many, many years, and it's made me a lot of money. Okay? Then he says, let it sit. And if you make money, then great. But, dude, listen to yourself. Why don't you listen to yourself? Why don't you do something? Why don't you, like, take that advice and do it yourself? I'm doing what I'm doing. I love it. John, guess what? I get to wake up every day and do what I love. Okay? You might not get to do what you love, man, John, but I love what I do. All right? So thanks for the advice, buddy, but I'm going to do what I love. All right? And that's this right here. Listen to yourself, Remlog. Oh, God. Don't ban him yet. No, I'm not going to. Oh, dude, I don't ban people. Y'all are the ones that ban people. Okay, that's y'all. That's not me, dude. All right. Well, he's already been banned. No, he's not been banned. He's free to speak. He was just, one of his messages were deleted, all right? Come on, John. You jelly, man. You jelly that I get tips and you don't get anything. Come on, dude. Dude, he didn't even sound like a hater. He just sounds like he didn't know what he was talking about. But hey, man, he just came in. He's been here for 5 seconds and has no idea. All right? Yeah, keep being a slave, John. Go ahead. Work that slave life. I know you enjoy it, man. Don't be a cuck, man. But if you like it, go ahead. All right. So that's Bitcoin. Huge impulse up. Downslope consolidation despite any kind of crazy volatility on either side, all right? Great. That's good. That's very good. What I want to do is look at XLM again. I know we were looking at XLM to the US dollar. I know. Look, you want to look at Ripple again, man? Dude, we just looked at Ripple, all right? Ripple is fine. It actually, I don't want to get people too euphoric, right? We'll look at Ripple. People are going to have... There will be a literal riot if I don't look at Ripple. Nothing really special happened with Ripple, right? You barely... I did 1, 2, 3 anchor points. That's all I did. We had it like this last night, right? There it is. Okay. if you have it like that, all right, man, then we broke out. The volume sucks, so you didn't really break out at all. You don't break out on no volume. I'm sorry, it's skeptical at least, right? Hold on. Wait, I think John wants to see this, doesn't he? John, are you mad, bro? Hold on, we just have to humble brag because of John, all right? We'll just humble brag real quick. Yeah, that's it. Oh, okay. Hey, John, man. Oh, but dude, I don't know what I'm doing, man. September 14th, Ripple, the thing that's been talked about, the reason why we get 400 concurrent viewers, because everyone's like, what's going on with the market? What's going on with the market? Well, let's take a look at 26 cents. Oh, let's just hit the play button. Get wrecked. That's right, man. That get destroyed, dude. That's right. You think we went higher than this? Yeah, we went much, much higher than that. But just so you know, buddy, I don't have to have a real job, as you would call it, all right? Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. Thank you. Too easy. All right. So anyway you want to look at it, I think making an adjustment would be prudent, okay? Because you had that extra wick. That's how you do it. You make adjustments to your wicks. 1, 2, 3. And you're barely breaking out on the weekend on no volume. I'm not sold, okay? And then others could say, hey man, isn't that like a triangle or something, man? Yeah, it could be a triangle, whatever. 1 and 2 now. You do have the touch points, I guess. Just don't know, man. It's just interesting. You know what, man? Holy crap, that's like almost an ascending triangle, but not quite, right? It's just like a price contraction, right? We have lower highs, higher lows. Be interesting to see what happens, okay? I think Larley had something like this too, okay? Where it's very nice though. Look, man, you have to be very excited no matter who you are, if you're John or you're Elon Musk or you're a Kang, okay? No matter who you are, you have to be very, very intrigued by this extremely high level of volume breakout of a channel that extends back to February, okay? You have to be excited about that, all right? And remember, if it was a bull pull, bull flag combination, 85 cents would be the target. Yes, that's it, all right? So whatever, man, you know, we'll see what happens. Oh God, he's getting eviscerated by chat. Wow. Wait, all he said was one word, right? Didn't he? You realize when Larley, he's talking crap to you. He's talking crap to every single person. He's talking crap to like 209 people right now. He's not talking to me. He's talking to all of us when he says give up this TA nonsense. Like it's not real. Like it can't actually work, right? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy, dude.
Is that a joint?
This one's for John. Kappa. Lil.
Destroyed. Thanks, Rylan H, man, for the 420 contribution to Jizz, man. Oh, I love it, man. I freaking love it. And I love y'all. Okay, if you're enjoying this live stream, if you're enjoying somebody getting destroyed that hates the TA, disrespects it, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all. A 1-minute review of XRP. How about we look at the 1-second chart of XRP, Jason, man? You got that, script. We created a script for the 1-second chart, dude. So nice. It's a BS job, but I make 4 times what you make, John. So go ahead. Go ahead, dude. I make 4 times what you make, John. You make nothing, okay? Unreal, though. It's crazy, man. John's wife cheats on him? Yeah, probably, right? John to BTC. Oh wait, I'm sorry. It's negative dollars. Okay. Blocked it. You're not blocked, dude. You're not blocked at all, dude. Okay. You've never been blocked. You just get timed out for being a scrub, and that's because we have so many people that decide they don't like you. It's not me. I don't block. You're getting blocked by people that don't like you. Okay. Iowa blew the game. Wow. Really? Come on, Iowa, dude. Freaking Hawkeyes, man. How did I come with 85 cents? From a swing low to swing high? Look. RJ. Right here. Measure that. The bull pole to the breakout. If we broke out here, we measured that amount to 85 cents. That's how we got our bull pole, bull flag, measured move. All right. RJ.
Is that a joint?
Hey man, can you put John on the list?
Sure, man. Yeah, absolutely. Rimlaw, thanks, man, for the 420, man. Thanks so much, dude. Marcus, who are you talking to? Why do you think VeChain is doing bad? Who are you talking to, Marcus? What's going on right now? I think we have some drunk people. Thanks, Dave, man. What's about Willie Beeman, man? Navid. How much higher can we go? Again, we discussed if actually everything worked out like wonderfully and idealistically, the TA was respected and we were kangs. Again, we just talked about it. The measure move. Yes, I do hold. Daniel, I do hold. Yes. I hold. Not only Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic. I hold them, yes. They're held in my portfolio. Get mad. What was that ticker, man? Hold on. Jeez, man. XLM is on fire. The XLM BTC pair is crazy right now. It hit the 786. It's still at that 618 right now. Hey, look, John cheats on his wife. No, she cheats on you, dude. And you make minimum wage. We don't care, dude. All right. Hey, look, John cheats on his wife, and he is banned. Get wrecked, kid. All right. Congratulations on being terrible. Quantum doing things, yeah. It broke out on high volume. A lot of that stuff's going on around this market, man. Okay, man, it's looking good, dude. What's up, Alex McKeon, dude? Earth, yeah. Hey, love you too, Brian Holm, man. Good to see you, dude. All right, good to frickin' see you, man. Yeah, it's like my first ban I think I've ever done. No, I banned someone satirically the other day. It was funny. It was like a joke, right? But it was not a big deal. Exit.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Sometimes Alexia is screwed, man, and there's nothing I can do about it, alright? So, we can look at like XLM to BTC, man. No big deal. Ooh. Alright, first off, this is what's going on, man. Broke out a down sloping channel that extends back to July 18th. Swing high, swing low. What were our targets? 50%, 36.56, and 38.26 is why we had it plotted like this. And look where we went. We became kings. Yes. You can clearly see a change in momentum where you're making lower lows. All of a sudden, you're making higher lows.
Have you guys seen XLM/BTC on the daily? It's breaking out that massive sim triangle from the Great FOMO.
Now, you know, I get what you're saying, but remember triangles, LPLT. Any kind of triangle, a wedge, the definition of them, they are pauses in trends, okay? Pauses in trends. When you're talking about the Great FOMO, that is almost the entire lifespan of this. So it's great, though. It's great. I hear what you're saying, man. Like, sure, we could have, like, a down-sloping trend line. Like this. I wouldn't even worry about this crap. This is literal Great FOMO. 1, 2, 3. Have we broken out? I don't think so, man. We're almost there. We're right at it, right? A lot of rejection. Lots of rejection. You see what I'm saying? And honestly, we're not even on. Hold on. Off just a little bit. So not even breaking out. Very close, though. But I understand what you're saying. We do have a down sloping resistance, and you're talking about this stuff too, right? I'm sure. Something like this. No. No. Hard to say, man. Hard to say. You did have some mild form of accumulation, alright? But to say that it is a true sim triangle that is that large, I just don't believe it, man, because that's like almost the entire life of this chart, alright, man? But you can have a down sloping trend line that would be used as a resistance, and we have it plotted, alright? And we're right at it. Very critical areas of resistance, okay? After such a large spike to the upside, it would be very difficult to continue on. Hey, set your alerts up again, because we've wicked off. Yes, wicked off multiple times. It'll be interesting to see if we can really break above this convincingly, but we have not seen that yet, so. Alright. What's up, Jason T? John has uploaded 3 videos on his channel. Get him, guys. Get him. Brigade him. Destroy him. He doesn't believe in TA, which is this entire show. This is every single person in this channel. He slapped us all in the face. Seldom does that happen normally. Normally, y'all, it's me that gets slapped in the face, but he slapped you all in the face this time. Okay. Unbelievable. It's crazy, man, what you find on the internet. Every time we go live, something new happens, either good or bad, and it's interesting, okay? Play Dota now. Okay, Brian, alright, I'm turning on Dota. Dota, 3, 2, 1. There it is. We're playing Dota right now, and we just won our first game. Alright. Brian, was that good, dude? Did I play well? Let me know. Y'all are freaking hilarious, man. This is awesome. Wow. The responses are literally priceless. I can't believe this. What's up, Dave Jones, man? Good to see you, dude.
All in John Connect. Textbook scrub probably went short on XRP at 0.26 cron, please.
Maybe so. Hey, HG, thanks for the 318, dude. Yeah, look at him, man. Look at him, man. What's up, Julia? Good to see you. I do know Eric Anders. I played with him. Essex Hammer, yes. Well, best of luck to him. Best of luck to him, alright. What's up about Lisa Rental? Thanks for the sub on YouTube. Jeez, lady, thank you. Can we go back, Julia? No, we cannot go back, but we will survive, alright? We'll be okay, alright? Like, why can't we just look at this like, hey, swing high to swing low. We've hit the 50% in 618, and we're Kangs. What do you even want? Alright. God, I'm sore. Alright. Let's go to Kron. Kronos. Holy crap, what's happening right now? What is happening? Here we go. That makes sense. That makes too much sense. Okay. I don't know, man. I just use like the bottom right here. When we broke to the upside and broke down, I started using that. This was the parameters of our upsloping channel. And we broke out, man. We broke out, dude. Look, this pattern, its measured move was 13.17. We hit it. We're right. We're still literally, we're below it now. We hit it. We're below it. All right. And we have this upsloping little channel going on. All right. Hey, Boost Cartel, man, thanks for the sub on YouTube. The Jesus Man, welcome, dude, welcome. Okay. Maybe so, John Cardozo. Maybe so, man. All right. Best of luck to Eric Anders, former Alabama football player. Awesome, dude. Very good. So yeah, I don't know what you want from me, man. Like, we started down here at like 26 cents, now we're at 12.51 at Sim Triangle. The measurement of the pattern, we hit it, we hit target, and now we're at the very top of the upsloping channel. That's like, what can you say about this besides that? That's it, man. That's it. Those were our anchor points, right? We had like 1 and 2 anchor points, and then 3 anchor points, and then that's how we like came up with Kronos. And so we're just floating along that upsloping resistance, and you know how that is. It's not easy to. Oh my God, dude! You're gonna see some extreme levels of daily bearish divergence. Oh, so nasty, man. Just look at this, man. Higher high with like no positive momentum at all. Expect a breakdown. We broke down, and I don't think we're at any support right now. We think that there'd be some nice support at that $11.11 range. Sweet man. Jason Trebolo, excuse me. I'm sorry about that, man. Thank you so much for the sub on YouTube, Jizman. I'm just kind of winded today. It's been a long day, a lot of celebration, a lot of just living life a little bit. Man. It's been a good one, though. It's been a really, really good one, all right? Bitcoin. Do we really want to call this pumping, or I just want to call this Bitcoin is moving up, Pat? It's moving up. Monero's looking impressive. Excellent, man. I also hold Monero. Like, it's just like I've sat there, lost lots of value on a few of them, and just it's up, down, right? It's just like I'm doing my part, my overall portfolio of continuing to diversify, not only in crypto, but also everything else, right? Just continuing, do my thing, all right? You have short-term positions, long-term positions, you just, things you believe in, you hold them, all right? Like Tron. Unfortunately, Tron has not made the cut. Even though I'm sure I would have made some gains today or yesterday, yeah, maybe, but just Tron's not one of them, alright? I'm sorry. I don't like their crazy cult-like status or whatever they do, man. It's so weird, alright? But hey, you know what? Some people have traded that and done quite well, alright? Jeez, I've been live for an hour 36 minutes, y'all. What is going on? How does this work? How do we even... How are we live for this long? It doesn't make sense to me, man. I'm just dumbfounded, alright? Just... That's literally it. Opinions on Bitcoin Cash, John B. Man? It's cash that is Bitcoin, evidently. And according to the chart, it's in a very, very well-established downtrend that extends back to many, many months, most of the year. All right, that's it.
People will kill to have your TA knowledge. I'm glad you guys banned that idiot. Love what you do, bro. Burst to the moon. But seriously, dude. CHETA mom.
CH. Crap, I gotta pull up Stream Elements real quick. Hold on. Wait, actually, can you just, this is your name. Can you post that ticker again in chat real quick? I heard CH, but I couldn't get the other part of it, alright? Just post it, man, real quick, and we'll look at it right after this, alright, man? I'm just waiting for you to post your comment, and we'll run right to it, alright? Oh, you're saying no chew demand. Okay. AJ name, man. Thanks for the $7.77 to the account words, man. Alright, I really appreciate that. It means a lot, alright? And thanks for the Burst coin in the jar. Did Burst coin become Moon? Remember we had that trade set up, really? Kind of like we did it in chat. We said the falling wedge with the bullish divergence. Triple MACD bullish divergence and the RSI bullish. Dude, it was like every single thing was lining up for a break to the upside. I hope it did. Alright, man. But hey, remember, TA's fake. We need to go get a real job. Let's go get a real job. God forbid I try to help hundreds of people every day. God forbid. I wonder how much money I've saved or made people over the course of 7 months. I wonder how much money it is collectively. And then we could post it to that kid who has no idea, who works minimum wage, right? I wonder what... So we could show him how real it is what we do here. Everyone hates Roger Ver. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe so, man. Maybe so. Be interesting to know that. There's no way to really know, I guess, but Verse is not versed yet. Alright, Elijah. Well, either way, man. Like, trades can fail. It's fine, but, you know, man. So good. It's just funny, man. Like, for anyone to ever try to come into this channel and talk about TA being fake when I literally called, like, that second bottom on Ripple that made us literally triple in value in 3 days, right? That's the crazy part, right? That's like, how could TA be fake when I called the... not the bottom, which we kind of did because we looked at the triple MACD bullish divergence at 25 cents with the RSI bullish divergence. That broke to the upside. That made sense. We knew that was coming. But like when we called the bottom again on a trade setup, and then it literally shot up that much. Hey, Willie Beam, man, thanks for the 69 contribution, the $6.90 or the 690 pennies. Oh yeah, thanks, dude. Notice the Verge coin in the jar. That's the most sexual contribution one could receive. Thank you so much, dude. Thanks, Dave Jones, man. Really appreciate it. Right back at you, okay, dude? Oh my god. Did my lights break again, or just no one in Twitch, I guess? Let me see it. I have to give it a second, and I'll find out. And thanks so much for the 218 people tuned in right now, okay? Yeah, maybe so. I don't know. Alright, yeah, it works, Coffee Crew. Hey, thanks, Coffee Crew. I just didn't know, man. Hey, I like this lighting right, man. Looking nice. Looking real nice. Okay, man. Anyway. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, that's the resident sleeper emoji, Coffee Crypto, man. Oh, don't do pink. I freaking hate pink, dude. It's the worst color ever. I might, like, ban pink, dude. Seriously. I might ban it. Alright, let's go to ONT to the USD someone asked about, alright? Extremely bearish. It's been going on since May, early May of 2018. Just been terrible. Inverse Kangs. And since we hit that lowest low on August 14th, we broke to the upside, then we formed a, ascending triangle, really. Ascending triangle, but then we formed a partial rise. High chances of breaking out bearishly, and when that happens, lower high, and broke out. And then we did not quite hit the measured move of the pattern, which was at $1.39, but we got close, and then we pivoted, and we've been making higher lows ever since. We broke to the upside. Now we're showing some sort of bullish consolidation a little bit, right? Where you run up and then you down slope in your consolidation, failing to break above the 200 MA, but also hitting common retrace from a swing high to swing low. You're hitting that 50% retrace, go figure. Very, very common, all right? Man. Okay, so 1 hour and 43 minutes have been live, y'all. Okay, so I'm like kind of dead, kind of exhausted. All right, with this going on, all right, we're hitting areas that you should hit when you're bearish. Okay, but depending on the market, how it works, if this did break to the upside again, man, we could expect some nicer prices. Hold on, let's see. We'll go to the hourly. It looks pretty good on the hourly, right? Not really. It just kind of looks like a pennant. So a pennant wouldn't be a very big measure move. Could run all the way up to 618, right? At 238. Just kind of tired, y'all. All right, so. Roger Ver should run for public office. Oh my god, Jeremy, dude. That'd be interesting. Alright. Very, very interesting. Alright. When do you get your monthly dividend for watching the channel, dude? I don't know, man. Ask John. He's part of the dividend department. Okay, man. Thanks. What's my fave basketball team? I don't watch basketball, and it's not to be mean. It's not to say that I'm not a good person. I'm a football guy. All right, I like football. Thanks, Earth, y'all. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back tomorrow. I love y'all so much. Y'all are the light of my life. I couldn't do anything without y'all. Thank you so much for supporting me while I get to do what I love by showing the health of the markets, doing coin requests, stock requests, currency requests for you, seeing these beautiful patterns, these beautiful oscillators, everything playing out time and time again, over and over and over again, so we don't have to push, scrubby stuff. I don't have to advertise and peddle crap. I don't have to sell my soul to whatever it is that you have to sell your soul to if you don't provide real value. So thank you so much for constantly contributing to the stream so I don't have to monetize, so you don't have to watch ads. I don't have to put ads in your face. All right, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it because I can't do this without you and wouldn't do it without you. And thankfully the TA is setting me free here. All I'm doing is just analyzing the charts, articulating it to you, the audience. All right, so I'll be back tomorrow. And again, remember, you make this show, not me, and I'm nothing without y'all. All right, so until next time, respect the TA. Just man, that's with the 5,000 cents of beating a coin. Let's play some zero chance on the wet. Okay, man, that's my man.
Good night, John.
Is that a joint?
Hey, we're my man, that's with the 4,026. Cheers, man. Freaking love you, man. Hey, just man, this is better than I said that just man, you pretty close. This is my little chance for you, man. Okay, dude.
fast forwarding and winding, that perfect spot you've yet to find.